guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today I have Nutrify Honey Roasted Oats with me. But before proceeding ahead, if you are new to our channel, then you can subscribe to our channel by clicking that subscribe button, and it's free. So without wasting time, let's start. This is how packaging of Nutrify Honey Roasted Oats look like. Nutrify is a product of Sundrop. Over here, you will able to see green dot, which says that this product is vegetarian. In this roasted oats, there are oats, honey, almonds, cranberries. Over here you will able to see picture of the product which they have displayed. The cost of this product is rupees 20 only. Let's see what they have given on the rear side of packaging. For suggestions or complaint, you can contact to this address. Even they have given their email ID as well as their phone number. You can even visit to their website. The manufacturing date of this product is 15th April 2021. And the net weight of this product is 33 grams plus 7 gram free. So that is 40 grams. They got FSSAI license number. This product is manufactured for Agrotech Food Limited. They have mentioned that for manufacturing and packaging unit address, please read the first 3 characters of batch code and see below. You can pause this video and read it out. You will able to see nutritional information about the product, which I consider as very important part in consumable product. Energy KCAL 476, protein 8 gram, carbohydrate 68, sugar 20 grams, dietary fiber 4.9 gram, fat 19.2 gram, saturated fatty acid 6.6 gram, monosaturated fatty acids 9.0 gram, polyunsaturated fatty acids 3.6 gram, trans fatty acid 0 gram, cholesterol 0 mg, sodium 7 mg. Over here you will able to see that they have used minimum sodium, which is quite good. Here they have given the total trans fat content not more than 0% by weight. Total saturated fat content not more than 6.6% by weight. Here you will able to see the list of ingredients. I am going to read out for you. Rolled oats, sugar, candied cranberries, sugar, sunflower oil, refined edible palmolene oil, almonds, rolled wheat, liquid glucose, honey, edible molasses, and emulsifier. They have mentioned that see panel for MRP, net quantity, batch number, date of manufacture, and best before date. So its expiry date is 14th April 2022. Now let's get to know why to purchase this Nutrify Honey Roasted Oats. We all know that oats are very important if you are facing hair fall or any skincare issues. Oats lead to fast hair growth as well as clears your skin. If you have acne, pimple, then oats clears your skin very well. Almonds are very, very important in hair growth. Previously, our ancestors used to have almonds in their diet, and even today, doctors recommend you to have almonds early in the morning. Now, let's unbox this product and let's see how it looks from inside. This is how product looks from inside. You will able to see roasted oats. You will able to make out that they have used cranberries and almonds. So now let's taste this, and I'm going to tell you how it tastes. It's quite sweet, so if you have diabetes, then I recommend you don't have this, even though it's healthy, because they have used honey as well as sugar. If you want to have it normally, then it's fine. If you want good hair growth, then you can go for this product, as it's a healthy option. But only disadvantage is that they have used honey as well as sugar, maybe to add a sweetener to this product. That's all in this video, guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and be part of our family by clicking that subscribe button below. Thank you.